Well, hello. There we are at Anderson Woodworks. So, I'm going to crank up my YouTube again. This has been a crazy year. Last time you remembered me doing any YouTubing, it was at the old place. Well, we moved. We bought a house, me and my wife, and now we have a new shop. Well, minus a few things. Like, if you remember, there were peacocks at the old place that were in the film quite a bit. And now we moved from off a farm that we were renting to a place that's a little in town at another town. We now live in Yelm, not Olympia. And so the shop is a little smaller. Still cranking out the stuff like normal, but out of a smaller shop. So we're going to change things. I'm going to start doing smaller stuff, things like that. But as far as the YouTube channel, I'm not going to be like all those probably other woodworking channels you see them. I might do a video. I'll show you things that I'm making. There'll be process videos and things like that. But as normal, I'm probably going to be off the cuff. Here in a minute, I'll give you a tour of the new shop. You'll see what's going on. You can see behind me, set up kind of the same old cabinets. Eventually, we're going to probably make new cabinets for the shop. But yeah, hopefully you people, everyone will get involved in supporting my channel and get more likes, get more views, you know, do the same old rigmarole. Yeah, I'm a working shop. I'm a working stiff, so I try to keep business moving as fast as possible, trying to get things done, except for when it comes to furniture. Then it's slow and methodical. But that's what you'll see. Yeah, we'll keep up the channel going and see what we get. I have a piece of furniture I am working on that is for a business in Yelm that they had asked me to make a piece and that they would display it for me. The city of Yelm have been in the newspaper already, so it's been kind of cool. Yeah, and so what I'll do is on that piece of furniture, it's a Soho table. I think you guys have seen me build a Soho table before. I'll put a picture in the video of what it is and we'll go from there. It's going to be a cool little piece. So anyway, let's take you on a tour of the shop. So the new shop, like I said, is small. Right now this is one wall. As you can see, I got a cabinet job going right now. I've been working on those doors. This is it, my vacuum. I don't have the vacuum system set up yet. Still need to do that. That's the last thing I got going on. Basically, I think it's the same size as my old shop was. Minus, that's my wood wall. That's the working wall. It looks really busy. It never looks that busy when I'm working, but when I'm viewing it through a camera, it seems like I got a lot of stuff going on over there. My new clamp wall. That's the bench. That's new. You guys haven't. The old bench got so beat up, I decided to make a new top for it. So the bottom's the same, but I made a new fancy top for it because I felt like I wanted something fancy. Yeah, it's fun. I'm taking care of this one now. I have to compete with, it's been a long time since I've had to compete with a furnace and a hot water tank, but here we are. The plan is to maybe make enough money to buy a separate building to build a shop. That is the plan. I need you guys' support for that. You need to click like and subscribe, and well, there's other ways to support me too. Go to my website. I do wax. I have some small stuff. I'm starting to do some smaller stuff on there for you to buy, but that's the best way to support me, is by commissioning furniture or buying the stuff I have online. I'll leave all those links online, but that's my new shop. Not too bad. Just can't do huge cabinet stuff, which I'm gearing out of the cabinets anyway a little bit. Still gonna do them, but I'm gonna do smaller ones like this, where just small chunks, not whole. I used to do whole kitchens. I don't do that anymore. Anyway, let me take you back and we'll do the outgo here. So that's it. Tour of the new shop. So please push the like button, smash that bad boy, and then the subscribe button, please. If you like this video, there'll be a lot more to come. I have, like I said, a little table progress video I'm going to be doing. You guys will be able to see that. And yeah, keep watching. Thanks.